Hi students, now let us see solution of non-homogeneous system of equations. Here also the equations having solution or not. If the system of equations has solution, it may be consistent, otherwise inconsistent. Now let us see those two different conditions. Now, given equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3, and these are called non-homogeneous linear equations. Already we know. From this, first we have to write coefficient to matrix, and this is also already discussed. Capital A is equal to matrix a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3 are the coefficients, and also AD. Here AD is nothing but augmented matrix. Already we discussed in Gauss-Jordan method. That is equal to a1 b1 c1 d1, a2 b2 c2 d2, a3 b3 c3 d3, and these are the coefficients, and d1 d2 d3 are constants. Now let us see different conditions for solutions. First of all, we have to calculate rank of A. Rank of A means rank of coefficient matrix. Rank AD. Rank AD means rank of augmented matrix. After finding rank of A, rank of AD, here first condition is rank of A is equal to rank of AD is equal to 3. That means both ranks having equal and it is 3. Then we say that the system has unique solution. Unique solution means that has only one solution, and this is nothing but consistent. Second condition, if rank A is equal to rank AD is less than 3. Here both the ranks are equal, but it is less than 3. Less than 3 means it may be 2 or 1, whatever it is. Then system has infinitely many solutions. Here also we say that the system is consistent. In these two conditions, what are the two conditions? Unique solution, infinitely many solutions called consistent. In third one, rank of A not equal to rank of AD. Here both the ranks are not equal. Then system has no solution. No solution means the system is inconsistent. So this is about a solution of non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Now let us see example based on consistent and inconsistent. Here given equations are x plus y plus z is equal to 4, 2x plus 5y minus 2z is equal to 3, x plus 7y minus 7z is equal to 5. So these equations are called non-homogeneous linear equations. First we have to write augmented matrix. That symbol is AD. AD is equal to, write all the coefficients with a constant. That is 1, 1, 1, 4. 1, 1, 1, 4. Next, 2, 5 minus 2, 3. 2, 5 minus 2, 3. 1, 7 minus 7, 5. 1, 7 minus 7, 5. And this is called augmented matrix. Now, in Gauss-Jordan method, first we have to make these two elements 0. Already we discussed in Gauss-Jordan method. Here, if you want 2 becomes 0, then we have to go for R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. That means 2 minus 2 ones are 2 becomes 0. Similarly, if you want 1 becomes 0, then R3 tends to R3 minus R1. That means 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Now let us see what happens. R2 minus 2R1. What is R2? 2, 5 minus 2, 3. 2, 5 minus 2, 3. Minus 2 R1. That is minus 2 multiplied with R1. that is minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 into 4, minus 8. Now let us simplify this. 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 2, 3, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 8, minus 5. So this is new second row. Next, R3 tends to R3 minus R1. First of all, write R3. What is R3? 1, 7, minus 7, 5. Minus R1. That means multiply minus with R1. That is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4. Let us simplify this. 1 minus 1, 0, 7 minus 1, 6, minus 7 minus 1, minus 8, 5 minus 4, 1. So this is new third row. Now let us replace second row, third row. What do we get? 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 4. Same. Second row. 0, 3, minus 4, minus 5. Third row. 0, 6, minus 8, 1. Now, in the second step, we have to make this element as 0. Why? Because we have to convert this as upper triangular matrix. So that by making this 6 as 0, we have to apply R3 tends to R3 minus 2R2. That is 6 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 6, 0. So that we have to apply this. Now, what is R3? 0, 6 minus 8, 1. 0, 6 minus 8, 1. Minus 2 R2. Minus 2 multiply with R2. That is 0, minus 2 3s are minus 6, minus 2 minus 4, 8, minus 2 minus 5, 10. Now let us simplify this. 0, 6 minus 6, 0, minus 8 plus 8, 0, 1 plus 10, 11. Now this is third row. Then it becomes first row, second row are same. That is 1, 1, 1, 4. Second row 0, 3, minus 4, minus 5. The third row is 0, 0, 0, 11. Now let us see what happens. If you observe third row, first 3 elements becomes 0, fourth element is 11. That means if you take rank of coefficient matrix, that is by using first 3 columns, what we get? The rank is less than 3. Why? Because all the elements in third row is 0. That means the rank must be less than 3. Next, if you want to find rank of AD, here delete first column. Take remaining columns, that is second column, third column, fourth column. So what happens here? If you find the determinant, we should get the determinant is not equal to 0. That means the rank is equal to 3. Here rank of A is less than 3, rank of AD is 3. Then what happens? Rank A not equal to rank AD. So therefore we say that the system has no solution. No solution means inconsistent. Second example based on non-homogeneous linear equations. Here given equations are x plus y plus z is equal to 1, 2x plus y plus z is equal to 2, x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 1. Like previous example, here also we have to write augmented matrix. That is AD is equal to, write all the coefficients 1, 1, 1, 1. Next 2, 1, 1, 2. Next 1, 2, 2, 1. After writing augmented matrix, we will go for first step. These two elements make as 0. Convert into upper triangular matrix. Here already 2 is there. So we have to apply R2 tends to R2 minus 2 R1. That means 2 minus 2 ones are 2 becomes 0. And next to R3 tends to R3 minus R1. That means 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Now R2 tends to R2 minus 2 R1. What is R2? 2, 1, 1, 2 minus 2 R1. Multiply minus 2 with R1. That becomes minus 2 ones are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. By simplifying, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2 0. So this becomes a new second row. Next, R3 tends to R3 minus R1. Here what is R3? 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1 minus R1. That means minus multiply with R1. That is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. By simplifying this, 0, 1, 1, 0. And this is new R3, third row. By writing second row, third row in above matrix, we get first row as same 1, 1, 1, 1. Second row is 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0. Third row is 0, 1, 1, 0. In the second step, we have to convert this element as 0. For that, we have to apply R3 tends to R3 plus R2. That means already R3 is 1. Here the element is minus 1. If you take 1 minus 1, 0. So that we will take R3 plus R2. Here what is R3? 0, 1, 1, 0 plus R2. What is R2? 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0. By simplifying, we get 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0 and 0 plus 0 is 0. And this is new R3, third row. So our matrix becomes 1, 1, 1, 1, same 1, 1, 1, 1. Second row also same 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0. Third row becomes 0, 0, 0, 0, all zeros. Here, if you are observing this augmented matrix, what is the third row? All the elements are 0. So that if all the elements are 0, what happens? Rank of coefficient matrix is less than 3 and also rank of augmented matrix also less than 3 because all the elements in third row is 0. So we can write this as rank of A is equal to rank of AD less than 3. So already we know in this case the system has infinitely many solutions. If the system has infinitely many solutions, then we say that the equations are consistent. Now, this matrix write into equation form. So what we get? 1 into xx, 1 into y, 1 into z is equal to 1. Second one as x coefficient 0, there is no x term, and minus 1 into y minus z is equal to constant is 0. This is equation 2. So by solving 1 and 2, we have to find x, y, z values. Let us say that z is equal to k. That we have to substitute in equation 2. By substituting z value k in equation 2, what we get? Minus y minus z value k is equal to 0. So therefore, y is equal to minus k. And again substitute in equation 1. In equation 1 means x plus y, y means minus k plus z, z means plus k is equal to 1. Minus k plus k get cancelled, x is equal to 1. Now the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus k, z is equal to k, where k belongs to any integer. This is called infinitely many solutions. Here given equations are x plus y plus z is equal to 9, 2x plus 5y plus 7z is equal to 52, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0. Now Write these three equations in the form of augmented matrix, that AD is equal to, take the coefficients 1, 1, 1, 9, next 2, 5, 7, 52, 2, 1, minus 1, 0. After writing this, like previous example, we have to convert this as upper triangular matrix. For that, first step, we have to make these two elements are 0. For that, we have to apply R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. Here, what is R2? 2, 5, 7, 52. Minus 2R1, that means minus 2 multiplied with R1. We get minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 18. By simplifying this, 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 2, 5, 52 minus 18, 34. And next, R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. Here, what is R3? 2, 1, minus 1, 0. Minus 2R1. Minus 2 multiplied with R1. So, we get minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 18. So, by simplifying, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 18, minus 18. So, this is new R3 and this is new R2. By writing augmented matrix, we get first row same, that is 1, 1, 1, 9. Second row 0, 3, 5, 34. Third row 0, minus 1, minus 3, minus 18. After writing this, in the second step, we have to make this element as 0. For that, we have to apply R3 tends to 3R3 plus R2. What is 3R3? Multiply 3 with the third row. We get 0, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, 3 into minus 18, minus 54, plus R2. What is R2? 0, 3, 5, 34. By simplifying 0, 0, minus 4, minus 20. This is new third row. And finally we get first row 1, 1, 1, 9. Second row same 0, 3, 5, 34. Third row 0, 0, minus 4, minus 20. Here if you observe third row in this matrix, what we get? 2 zeros, 2 numbers. In this case, if we calculate rank of matrix A is 3 and also rank of matrix AD, that is augmented matrix, also 3. So therefore we can say that rank of A is equal to rank of AD is equal to 3. In this case, it has unique solution. So we can say that the equations are consistent. Now, by writing these in the form of equations, we get that 1 means x, 1y plus 1z is equal to 9. This is equation 1. Second equation, 0 means there is no x term, 3y plus 5z is equal to 34. Second equation. In the third equation, there is no x term, no y term. Minus 4z is equal to minus 20. This is equation 3. By solving equation 1, 2, 3, we get the values of x, y, z. From equation 3, what is the equation 3? Minus 4z is equal to minus 20. Cancelling this, z is equal to 5. And substitute this value in equation 2. So we get 3y plus 5z. 5 into 5 is equal to 34. That implies 3y is equal to 34 minus 25. That is equal to 9. So therefore y value 3. Substitute in equation 1. We get, what is the equation 1? X plus y value 3 plus z value 5. That is equal to 9. So that implies x is equal to 9 minus 8. So therefore x is equal to 1. So finally we can say unique solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 5. So this is about solutions of non-homogeneous linear equations.